Hello guys, I'm going to teach you how to make pepperoni pizza. So I take out the tortillas and take out pepperoni and cheese. So it should look like this, okay? And then I'm going to put cheese in it. Like this much. And then you spread it around. And then you put just a little more cheese, just like this much. And then put it right over it. Then we spread it around. And yep. For just a little to this, okay? And it should look like this. Okay. We put it into, and we fold it in half. Okay, we put it in half. And now you have your pizza, and I'm gonna put this in a microwave. Hold on a sec. When it comes out, it should be melted by now. So yeah, I will be sure to post this on my channel. And yeah, as soon as I can, sooner than later. And yeah, so I'm gonna quickly put, actually this is gonna be done here in a minute, so I'm gonna get that quick. I'll be back. And now you have your pepperoni pizza in a tortilla. And it should look like this, with cheese, pepperoni in it. So good. See, it's so good, baby. Be sure you hit that special like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and remember to turn on your notifications to never miss an upload. Notification bell, I should say. And there you have it. That's your pepperoni pizza and a tortilla. So, yeah, thank you. Pieces.